BBAI stock analysis 3rd of June. Is it a buy? Is it not? Which is very brief, short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Because look, I'm not going to hold back and I'm trying to be kind of not nice here and overly hype. But BBAI is decent, you know. I know it's in this correction phase or whatever. But recently, like all my kind of previous long predictions have been kind of alongside. You can see even like this one here in particular. I've moved it to the side because it's in the way. That's how it's supposed to look like. All right, here's the before. That's how it looked like at the time, like 7 days ago, a week ago. Since then, I'm looking for a very similar thing. Just jumping yet again. I do have a lot of previous receipts with BBAI in the Discord myself. So if you do want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, then yeah, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails. But yeah, I'm not going to look to force anything really. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. And if you have any questions, comments are now off limits to you. Get the free insights below.